I'm going to show you how you can find the mean and the median of a collection of data. So here is some data from, these are about 500 approximately high school students from California schools, and this is their reported travel time to school. So there are a couple different applications on how you could do this, but I'm going to actually do it inside of Google Sheets. So I'm going to insert a row above. You could also put this somewhere else. I am going to go to travel time to school, average, and so I can click to do it, or I could just type M3 through whatever that value is. But I'm not sure what that value is, so I'm going to click and I'm going to drag. There's a lot of data in here, so it's going to take a minute till I get to the bottom. And as I'm dragging, I see some data in here that's going to cause me some problems. So I'm going to go through and I will clean up some of that data. I'm actually going to scroll through here and try and find any of those items that I found that's going to be non-numeric. So things that are not numbers, or things that Excel sees and thinks is not numbers, those are going to cause problems with the formula. So right here somebody put min at the end of it, so I would just click here and delete that. Same thing, so it's 15, 7, 5. Right here, I'm assuming that that person's thinking that's an hour, so I'm going to put 60 minutes. So that seems to fix that. So then my number hasn't changed too much, but it's approximately 16 minutes, the average time that a student, how long it takes them to travel to school. It's another measure of center, and this is median. So if I type in equals median, and I can go ahead and select this again. All right, there we go. So then we look at this. It gives me the number 10. The median number, the number that's right in the middle, is 10 minutes. And the average, which is you add all the numbers up and divide it by however many records there are, is approximately 16 minutes. So the other way we can do this, so I selected all of it and I Control C, and I'm going to go into Stapplet, and this is going to be a one quantitative variable, and then I'm going to paste that in. So then now it's also going to give me a dot plot. I can see any potential outliers that might be impacting my calculation. So this 120 minutes, that's feasible. I'd say it is entirely possible that a person is in the car for 2 hours to get to school, but that is quite a commute. So then it's going to give me the same numbers, so 10 for the median and 16 approximately for the mean. That's two ways that you can calculate measures of center for a collection of data, mean and median.